What's going on, everyone? If you're looking for a delicious Biscoff ice cream recipe, then you've clicked on the right video. It's a very quick and easy recipe, but tastes amazing. To get started, pour 1.5 cups or 12 ounces of heavy cream into a large bowl. Then, using a hand or stand mixer, whip it until you have stiff peaks. Into the whipped cream, add 3/4 cup or about 8 ounces of sweetened condensed milk, along with 75 grams of Biscoff Spread and a teaspoon of vanilla extract. Then mix it together until everything is well combined. Once you're done, set the bowl aside and crush 15 to 20 Biscoff cookies. You can crush them with your hands, all you need is a Ziploc bag. Then pour them into the whipped Biscoff cream and gently mix them using a spatula. After mixing the cookies, pour the cream into an ice cream container. Now comes the hardest part, which is waiting. You will need to freeze it for at least 8 hours for it to properly firm up. And that's it. A very simple yet delicious Biscoff ice cream recipe to satisfy your sweet tooth. If you enjoyed the video, please leave a like and subscribe, and let me know how the recipe turns out in the comments. Have a wonderful day, and I'll see you in the next video.